Nowadays, in my clinical practice, iTero represents the heart of our digital workflow.
In the practice, the iTero reduces a lot the time to treat the patients. What is very impressive for me is the platform, iTero, exocad and Invisalign. And this platform is really great, so I can treat the patients very easily, very quickly.
iTero intraoral scanner has absolutely improved the communication between me and my laboratory. Through the direct lab feature, in fact, the technician can watch through cloud all of the characteristics of the scan I just did.
The intraoral scanner really is improving our daily routine and our practice workflow. So we are saving lots of time. The scanner gives us the STL data immediately, and it's even more accurate. It's good for the patient because we really get good data sets.
The communication between me and the other colleagues is really beautiful now because I can share my cases, my dental cases, with all the friends that work in my office.
Of course, in this way, the communication is faster and improved, and with it, the quality of our work.